Hello students, this is Chalama Reddy Mathematics. Now I am going to discuss that mains 2019 questions in indefinite integrations. Already two parts completed. This is third part. I am going to explain some more questions. Still now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel and click on like button. Okay. Shall start now. First question, that is the eighth one. If integration x power 5 into e power minus x square dx is equal to g of x into e power minus x square plus c, where c is a constant of integration, then g of minus 1 is equal to, first we need to find g of x. So first see the question. In that question they are given minus x square, that value I am taking t. Now differentiate that, minus 2x dx, that is equal to dt. Now x dx is equal to minus dt by 2. Now see the question, integration x power 5 set, that is I am writing x power 4 into x e power minus x square dx, that is equal to, so here what is x power 4? See, squaring on both sides, we get x power 4 is equal to t square. Substitute here, t square e power t, x dx means that is minus dt by 2. So take minus 1 by 2 outside. Remaining, observe that integration e power t into t square dt. Here already you know that formula, integration e power x f of x dx. What is the shortcut method? E power x into f of x minus f dash of x, that means one time differentiation, plus f double dash of x, two times differentiation, minus f triple dash of x, three times differentiation, and so on up to constant term. Now see here, e power t into t square minus t square derivative 2t plus 2t derivative 2 plus c. This is the answer. Now instead of t, substitute minus x square. So what happens? See, minus 1 by 2 e power minus x square into t square means x power 4 minus 2t, minus into minus plus will come, that is 2x square plus 2 plus c. Observe the question, what they are given here, g of x, by comparing the question, g of x into e power minus x square. So what is g of x here? Minus 1 by 2 into x power 4 plus 2x square plus 2. This is g of x. But what they are asking, g of minus 1. Substitute that, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 whole power 4, 1, minus 1 whole square, 1, 2, this is 2. Total, what is the answer? Minus 5 by 2. So which option is correct? Third option is correct. This is a very easy question, but remember it, shortcut formula. Okay, now I am going to next question. See this question, let n greater than or equal to 2 be a natural number and 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. That means theta lies in first quadrant. Sine power n theta plus sine theta whole power 1 by n divided by sine power n plus 1 theta into cos theta d theta given. How to do this? See the options. Each and every option sine term is there. Now I am going to do that. Let sine theta is equal to t. Do the differentiation on both sides. Derivative of sine theta cos theta into d theta, that is equal to dt. Now these values substitute in the question. T power n plus t whole power 1 by n divided by denominator t power n plus 1 into cos theta d theta, that is dt. Now integration, numerator, take t power n common and power 1 by n is there, outside t will come, remaining 1 plus t by t power n whole power 1 by n. In denominator t power n plus 1 is there, that is I am writing t power n into t dt. Here observe that dt is cancelled. Now remaining part, integration. So t power n sent to numerator, it will come 1 plus t power 1 minus n whole power 1 by n divided by t power n dt. Okay. Now how to do that? Let 1 plus t power 1 minus n, that is take v, apply the differentiation 1 minus n into t power 1 minus n minus 1 dt, that is equal to dv. So here 1 minus 1 cancel, t power minus n, that is I am writing dt by t power n, that is equal to dv by 1 minus n. These values substitute in the question again. That is equal to integration, numerator value what we have taken v, that is v power 1 by n divided by 1 by t power n dt, that is how much, dv by 1 minus n. So this value take outside 1 minus n. Now integration v power 1 by n, how much, v power 1 by n plus 1 divided by 1 by n plus 1 into, plus c. Now denominator take LCM and numerator also observe that 1 by, after taking LCM the n is going to numerator, denominator will come 1 plus n. Already 1 minus n is there, that is 1 minus n square. Okay. Now numerator v power, what is v? V we are taken 1 plus t power 1 minus n. Write that 1 plus t power 1 minus n whole power, this is n plus 1 by n plus c. Now here we want to substitute t. What we have taken t here? Sine theta. Substitute now n by 1 minus n square into 1 plus sine theta whole power 1 minus n theta whole power n plus 1 by n plus c. By observing the options n by 1 minus n square into 1 plus sine theta send denominator, it is going to sine theta whole power n minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by n plus c. This is the answer. Observe the options. Which option is correct? I think first option is correct. This is also different model, but in calculation, by observing the calculation, so many problems we have done this type of, right? I'm going to third question. See the third question, what they are given. Integration sine 5x by 2 divided by sine x by 2 into dx. How to do this? Now I am getting thought like this. Numerator and denominator multiply with 2 cos x by 2. 2 sine 5x by 2 into cos x by 2. Numerator I am multiplied with 2 cos x by 2. Same like that. In denominator also 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx. Now see the numerator, that is in the form of 2 sin a sin cos b. 2 sin a cos b. What is the formula? Sine of a plus b. That means 5x divided by 2 plus x by 2. 6x by 2, that is 3x. Plus sine a minus b. 5x minus x. 4x by 2, that is sine 2x. Divided by denominator 2 sin theta cos theta, like that is there. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 formula. Sin x. Sin x. Right. Now up to here we got numerator sin 3x. What is sin 3x formula? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x plus sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x divided by sin x into dx. Numerator sin x take common and denominator it is going to cancel. Now remaining 3 minus 4 sin square x. 4 I am writing 2 into 2. 2 into 2 sin square x plus 2 cos x dx. So denominator term already cancelled. Now observe the calculation. Integration 3 minus 2 into 2 sin square x formula 1 minus cos 2x plus 2 cos x dx. Now here to the calculation, what happened? See, 3 minus 2 into 1, 2. 3 minus 2, how much? 1. Minus into minus plus 2 cos 2x plus 2 cos x. Now apply the integration, we get answer. Integration 1 dx means what? X plus 2 into integration cos 2x sin 2x, but x coefficient 2 is there, writing denominator, plus integration cos x, that is sin x plus c. Here 2 to cancel. Final answer is x plus sin 2x plus 2 sin x plus c. This is the answer. Verify the options. X sin 2x 2 sin x. X sin 2x 2 sin x. This is third option is correct. So this is also a very easy question, but if you are getting thought numerator and denominator multiply with 2 cos x by 2, then you will get very easily. Students, all of you understood now? Still now who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you.